You want a constant supply of money? I hope your answer is yes. My answer is yes to that, of course. And you'll find that answer in The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This is one amazing book, and I'm reading Your Right to Be Rich, and I'm going to read just a couple pages here. We're at the end of this chapter already. Okay. Your constant supply of money. The path to freedom, comfort, and a constant supply of needed wealth lies in recognizing the powers of your subconscious mind and the creative power of your thought or mental image. Accept the abundant life in your own mind. Your mental acceptance and expectancy of wealth has its own mathematics and mechanics of expression. As you enter into the mood of opulence, all things necessary for the abundant life will come to pass. Let this be your daily affirmation. Write it in your heart. I am one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind. It is my right to be rich, happy, and successful. Money flows to me freely, copiously, and endlessly. I am forever conscious of my true worth. I give of my talents freely, and I am wonderfully blessed financially. It is wonderful. Ideas to remember. Number 1, be bold enough to claim that it is your right to be rich. Your deeper mind will honor your claim. Number 2, you don't want just enough to go around. You want all the money you need to do all the things you want to do when you want to do them. Get acquainted with the riches of your subconscious mind. Number 3, when money is circulating freely in your life, you are economically healthy. Look at money like the tide. You'll always have plenty of it. The ebb and flow of the tide is constant. When the tide is out, you are absolutely sure that it will return. Number 4, the laws of your subconscious mind. Knowing the laws of your subconscious mind, you will always be supplied regardless of what form money takes. Number 5, one reason many people simply make ends meet and never have enough money is that they condemn money. What you condemn takes flight and takes wings and flies away. Number 6, do not make a god of money. It is only a symbol. Remember that the real riches are in your mind. You are here to lead a balanced life. This includes acquiring all the money you need. Number 7, don't make money your sole aim. Claim wealth, happiness, peace to all. Then your subconscious mind will give you compound interest in all these fields of expression. Number 8, there is no virtue in poverty. It is a disease of the mind. You should heal yourself of this mental conflict or malady at once. Number 9, you are not here to live in a hovel, to dress in rags, or to go hungry. You are here to lead the life more abundant. Number 10, never use the term filthy lucre or say, I despise money. You lose what you criticize. Money in itself is neither good nor bad, but thinking of it in either light makes it so. Number 11, repeat frequently, I like money. I use it wisely, constructively, and judiciously. I release it with joy, and it returns 1,000-fold. Number 12, money is not evil any more than copper, lead, tin, or iron that you may find in the ground. All evil is due to ignorance and misuse of the mind's powers. Number 13, to picture the end result in your mind causes your subconscious to respond and fulfill your mental picture. Read that again. To picture the end result in your mind causes your subconscious to respond and fulfill your mental picture. Number 14, stop trying to get something for nothing. There is no such thing as a free lunch. You must give to receive. If you give mental attention to your goals, ideas, and enterprises, your deeper mind will back you up. The key to wealth is to apply the laws of the subconscious mind by impregnating it with the idea of wealth. This book is amazing. You have got to get it. The power of your subconscious mind. You can do it. You can change your whole life. You are in complete control. Nobody else controls you. Only you do. You find yourself deep in your subconscious mind. Give it good things. Feed it good things, and it will give you abundant things in return. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.